Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 3 Microsoft Access 2007 queries. Okay, last class we discussed tables means what. Okay, chapter 2 Microsoft Access 2007 tables we created. Okay, and then we given a relationship between one table to another table, and then sorting and filtering the table, and finally totals, finding the totals in the table. Okay, so today's session we are going to discuss queries in table itself. Queries means what? Okay, before we have to open our database. Go for start, all programs, Microsoft Office Access 2007. Okay, here no need to open blank database. Why it is means already we created one database. What it is? 8th standard. Okay, now we have to open our 8th standard database. Okay, here we created two tables. One is customer table, another one is account table. Just you have to double click and view that data in a customer table, and next one is the account table. Okay, now we come to chapter 3 Microsoft Access 2007 queries. Okay, queries means what? Queries are a fundamental means of accessing and displaying a data from tables. Okay, queries are a fundamental means of accessing and displaying a data from tables. Queries, what purpose we are using? Access, okay, and displaying. Okay, we have to access means what it is? We have to edit or modify, or we have to create, like that. Okay, otherwise whatever you entered in a table itself, you have to do whatever it is. Okay, whatever you need, you have to do that everything. Okay, so next one is the displaying. Okay, whatever you are entering, whatever you are changing, okay, that everything will be displaying in a monitor itself. You see here. Okay, so here we enter the data. Okay, just you have to see this data we have to access and displaying in a monitor itself. Okay, that is called a queries. Okay, next one is the queries can access single table or multiple tables. Okay, query can access a single table and multiple tables also. Not only for single table, it will be accessing a multiple tables. Next one, query can to view a subset of data and answering questions about your data. Okay, so not only for questioning, it will be answering the data. Okay, so queries will be subset of data. It will be questioning and answering the data. Okay, next one, a query can be based on tables or on other queries. Okay, a queries can based on the tables or on their queries. Okay, based on their tables or other queries. Okay, so based on tables means what it is? Whatever you are given to a table, okay, so based on that it will be creating and modifying and querying whatever it is. Okay, next one, how to create a query, sir? Okay, we understand query means what, and query what purpose we are using in a table itself. So query is used to accessing and displaying a data in a table. Okay, that's all. How to create that query, sir? Okay, first we are going to select query design view. Okay, so go for create option. Okay, here itself query design view. Okay, click that query design view. So here itself we have to select our tables. Okay, create tab itself. Here we developed a tables queries. Okay, what are the queries are there? You have to select that query from here, and you have to access that table. Okay, I select account table, so just I have to close and access that table. Okay, otherwise you go for create option, query wizard. Query 1. Okay, query name I have to give a query 1. Okay, so next I have to create one by one query wizard. Okay, how to create and how to execute that query. Okay, listen here. Here I have to select simple query wizard, first one. Okay, I have to select, click OK. Okay, next table or queries, account table or customer table I have to select. Okay, so available fields, what are there in a customer table? Customer ID, customer name, address, city, state, pin code. Okay, these are all there in a customer table. Okay, you want everything means you have to click double greater than symbol. Okay, that everything selected fields. See here, this is available fields, this one is a selected fields. Sir, I don't want this everything means, okay, just you have to click double less than. Okay, now you have to select particular field. Okay, I need customer ID, okay, customer name, address. Okay, these three is enough to selected. Okay, selected fields, this three is enough to create a query. Okay, so these are all the selected fields. Okay, next click next option. Okay, next I have to select a which one, open the query to view information. Okay, so open the query to view information, click finish. Okay, so see here, my customer table query is selected. Okay, this query itself, what are the fields I selected? Only customer ID, customer name and address. Okay, these three only I selected in a query table. Okay, just you have to resize your windows. Okay, it will be appearing clearly. Okay, your fields everything. Okay, next one, this is a customer table query name. Okay, that query is created here. So this is the way to we have to creating a our customer table query. Okay, like that we have to create a account table query also. How to create that? Go for query wizard. Okay, so here itself simple query wizard and then click OK. Okay, select your table. Okay, table which one? Account table I have to select. Okay, so I have to select customer ID, number and account type. Okay, these three fields I have to select in a account table. Click next. Okay, wait. Okay, click next and then we have to click a details, shows every field for every record or summary. Okay, whatever you want you have to select that. Okay, detail, I have to select a detail. Okay, next I have to click open the query to view information. Okay, click OK. Okay, see here, here is, okay, what are the fields selected? We selected in account table, customer ID, account number and then account type. Okay, savings account or current account. Okay, account type. Okay, these are all for a customer table query and a account table query. We sorted that fields everything. Okay, next one we have to see, next one we have to see how to execute, how to run customer table query and account table query. Okay, so first we have to open a design view. Okay, go for home tab, here design view. Okay, this is the design view of customer table query. Okay, already we sorted. Okay, this customer table itself we sorted a particular fields. What are that? Customer id, customer name, address. Okay, these three only we selected in a customer table. Okay, in down itself properties. Okay, so these properties itself we have a different methods. Okay, first one is the field means what it is? Customer id. Okay, that is the field. Next one, customer name. Okay, I selected details. Okay, next one, address. These three only I selected in a customer table query. Okay, next one, table. Okay, that table name what it is? Customer table. Next one also customer table only. Okay, next sort. Okay, you want sorting the customer id means, okay, you have to use sorting means what are that? Ascending and descending. Okay, these both only we have. Okay, otherwise you have to give not sorted. Okay, so I want to sorting. Okay, descending order I have to sorting the customer id. Okay, after that I have to execute. Descending means what? Ascending means in a value. Okay, நம்பரில் அசெண்டிங்னா எப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆகும், டிசெண்டிங்னா எப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர் இட் வில் பி சேஞ்சிங் 1 2 3 like that. In descending order 3 2 1, back to front, front to back. Okay, like that. Okay, so ascending அப்படின்னா 1 2 3, descending அப்படின்னா 3 2 1. Okay, அப்படியே பேக்கில் ஃபார்வர்டில் நம்மளுக்கு டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன், கஸ்டமர் ஐடி வந்து டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டரில் கொடுத்துட்டு, ஓகே, ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ரன் திஸ் கஸ்டமர் டேபிள் query. Run. Okay, see here customer id how it is displaying. Okay, 3 2 1. Okay, you understand this? Yes. Okay, like that you have to display all the fields. Okay, customer name means ascending order means you have to select ascending order. Ascending order means what? A to Z. Descending order means Z to A. Okay, so now I have to execute a customer table query. See here, A is came down. Okay, so J is first, next Harish, last one only alphabetical A. Okay, so this is the ascending and descending order method. Okay, so next one, go for view option, design view. Okay, next one is the show. Okay, you want to show means you have to click, don't want means just you click and remove that tick. Okay, now you have to execute. See here customer id is hidden, only displaying customer name and address only. Okay, in query itself, okay, this process only we have to go do maximum. Okay, how to sorting the field and how to show the field. Okay, how many fields you want to show. Okay, how many fields you want to criteria. Okay, create criteria. Okay, next one is the like that only. Okay, show. Okay, you want to show means you have to tick that one. Okay, next criteria. Okay, so criteria itself you have to give whatever it is. For example, address means what it is, I have to give Thiruvannamalai. Okay, I have to run. See here, Thiruvannamalai address detail only displaying in a customer table query. Okay, so this is the way to we have to execute a query. Okay, customer any query, any table query. Okay, go for view, design view. Okay, so like that you have to enter Avalur pet means Avalur pet. Okay, so go to run. See here, that detail only displaying in your table itself. Okay, this is the way to we have to use a query. Okay, next one, criteria over. Next R means Avulurpet or Thiruvannamalai. Okay, I have to type Thiruvannamalai. ஓகே அவலூர்பேட் இல்லை அப்படின்னா திருவண்ணாமலை டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொல்கிறேன். இப்போ நான் ஐ ஹாவ் டு ரன் போத் வில் இஸ் தே, திருவண்ணாமலையும் இருக்குது அவலூர்பேட்டும் இருக்குது. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன ஆகுது, ரெண்டுமே நம்மளுக்கு டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். மேபி இது ரெண்டில் ஏதாவது ஒன்று இருந்தால் கூட நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆகும், உனக்கு டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணும். அதுதான் ஆர். ஓகே, க்ரைட்டீரியாவில் ஆர் அப்படின்னா அதுதான் என்னுடைய meaning. Okay, so now we understand field means what, table means what, sort means what, show means what, criteria means what, and then or means what. Okay, next one we have to see how to appear the picture. Okay, how to appear the pictures in a window. Okay, so we have to see one by one all the details. Okay, next one is the how to sort a query. Already I tell you how to sort that. Sorting means ascending and descending. This both only we have. Okay, we have to sorting one by one. Next one, retrieve specific records in a table. Okay, how to retrieve specific records in a table. So we have some logical operators. Okay, what are that means? Equal, not equal, less than, greater than. Okay, like that we have some restriction and the records to retrieve. Okay, we have some restriction to retrieve the records. So what is the meaning of retrieve, sir? See here, I mentioned Avulurpet. Okay, and then or criteria itself I given Thiruvannamalai. Okay, I have to retrieve. Okay, only for Avulurpet and Thiruvannamalai address only. That field, that records only will be displaying in a table itself. Okay, that is called some restriction to displaying the records in a table. Okay, that purpose only we are using. Maximum we have to using a query. Okay, some restriction are is there in a query itself and displaying the particular datas. Okay, so we have some logical operators. What are that means? Equal. Okay, and not equal, less than, equal, greater than, equal, in, not in, between, not between, is null, is not null, like and not like. Okay, like that we cover some different logical operators. Okay, these operators too we have to retrieve specific records. Okay, so how to we have to retrieve that specific records? So what are the operators? Equal to, just I have to show operators from criteria itself. I have to put equal symbol before Avulurpet. Okay, so next one I have to put a not equal. Okay, not equal, this means less than and greater than symbol means that is not equal to. Okay, so now I have to run this program. அதாவது ஈக்குவல் டு அப்படின்னா அவலூர்பேட்டு இருக்கிறவங்கள டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணும். நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு அப்படின்னா திருவண்ணாமலையில் இருக்கிறவங்கள விட்டுருங்க, அவங்கள இல்லாமல் வேறு யார் இருக்கிறா, விபெட். ஓகே, ஸோ அப்போ அவலூர்பேட் அண்டு விபெட். ஓகே, ஈக்குவல் டு போட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அவலூர்பேட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்க டிஸ்பிளே ஆவாங்க. நாட் ஈக்குவல்ட்டுன்னு போட்டோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன மீனிங்க? ஸோ அதை ஒமிட் பண்ணிவிடும். திருவண்ணாமலையில் இருக்கிறவங்கள எல்லாரையும் என்ன பண்ணும், ரெக்கார்ட்லேருந்து ஹைட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அவங்கள இல்லாதவங்கள என்ன பண்ணும், உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணி காமிக்கும். ஓகே, this is the way to we have to using a logical operators. Okay, we have some restriction to we have to specify the records. Okay, final topics. Now to retrieve queries, okay, in specific records. Okay, to retrieve specific records in queries. Okay, so I selected customer table query. Okay, here itself I have to open a table or query in a query design view. Okay, so I open a table. Okay, here itself go for query design view. Okay, design view, choose the field names you want to retrieve. Okay, which field name you want to retrieve, this is the field name. Okay, you have to select any field name. Okay, state. Okay, so next choose the field name based on which you want to sort the table in a query. Okay, இதில் எந்த டேபிள் வந்து நீ சார்ட் பண்ண போகிற, எந்த ஃபீல்டு வந்து சார்ட் பண்ண போகிற. deselect the show button. ஓகே, ஸோ இதில் வந்து என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன், டீசெலக்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஸ்டேட்டை வந்து நான் என்ன பண்ணிடுறேன், டீசெலக்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். இல்லை அப்படின்னா I have to deselect address. Okay, show. Okay, not showing this field. Okay, address field I don't want to visible. Okay, I don't want to run. Okay, enter your selection criteria on the criteria line. Okay, so here I have to enter Tamil Nadu. State on I have to give Tamil Nadu. Okay, so whenever typing in a criteria or criteria, there itself not case sensitive. Okay, not case sensitive. ஓகே, எப்படி இருக்கோ அதே மாதிரி டைப் பண்ணால் தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன பண்ணும், ரன் பண்ணும்போது அந்த ரெக்கார்டு வந்து டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணி காமிக்கும். ஸோ now I have to run this view. Okay, see here, Tamil Nadu, those are all Tamil Nadu people, Harish and John. These both of them Tamil Nadu in a state. Okay, Tamil Nadu state. Okay, this is the way to we have to retrieve specific records. இப்போ தமிழ்நாடு people யார் யார் அப்படிங்கிறத ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்காக நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியுது, இங்கே வியூ பண்ணி பார்க்க முடியுது. ஓகே, you want to save these records means you go save. Okay, here itself quick access toolbar, click save option. Okay, this is the way to we have to save a file. Okay, so this is the method to we have to maintain and using a queries in a table. Okay, how we are accessing table queries. Okay, how to we criteria the particular queries, and then how to create a query for customer table and account table, and then how to specify the records in a table. Okay, specific records in a table. Okay, this is the main concept. Okay, your MS Access 2007 queries concept itself, you have to learn these techniques, everything. Okay, so this is your chapter 3. Okay, you have to revise this everything. I will send your snaps and everything. You have to one more time you have to revise. You have a system means you have to work out. You don't have means no problem, just you have to listen, that is enough for you. Okay, so thank you students, have a nice day.